हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ ईशान नौटियाल एंड आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ एक इंटरेस्टिंग सीरीज़ जिसकी कई लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में डिमांड कर रहे थे। सो हाँ, सही समझा आपने। सो दिस इज़ द सीरीज़ फॉर एसएसबी and it will be happening for the screening procedure. Now, as in my previous video, I have told you that when I'll be completing 500 subscribers, so I'll be starting a SSB guide series. So it's a good announcement that now I am starting it because I am now with SSB Hub. जी हाँ, सही सुना आपने, SSB Hub. And SSB Hub is a great platform run by many ex-NDA, ex-CTW, ex-OTA, ex-INA, and many times recommended candidates who guide you how to prepare, perform, and get recommended in your respective SSBs. So this is run by the Rebel Soldier, which you already know. He is also an ex-CTW and ex-OTA officer cadet, and he was my senior at CTW CME Pune also. And he also runs his own YouTube channel by the name of Yogesh Sharma, and he's famous by the name of Rebel Soldier also. So it's a great opportunity for me to work with him, and I'm feeling lucky to have this opportunity with me. So there are many mentors, as I told, few are ex-NDA and multiple time recommended. So as you can see over here, the mentors: Ansh Dwivedi sir, Aditya Singh Rathod sir, Vari Mittal ma'am, Arzu Chauhan ma'am, and Riya Goswami ma'am. So these are the mentors at SSB Hub. And now the details about my batch, which I am going to start, is as you can see on the screen. It is a 7 days free SSB screening workshop. So those candidates who are looking for building strong fundamentals in screening procedure can join me, and it is going to be completely free. I just demand your commitment. And as you can see, the 7 days itinerary is written over here, and the duration of the course is 11th of June to 17th of June, and the classes will be live on Google Meet from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day. And if you want to join this, you can contact the WhatsApp number given over here, and also the link of the WhatsApp channel is given in the description. Also, the QR code of the WhatsApp group and the Telegram channel is here, so you can directly join the channel by just scanning the QR only. So this was it in this session, and I hope you like this. If you found something relatable, comment it below, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you, and Jai Hind.